Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can download the WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first and foremost step you need to do is open up your Play Store app and type in WhatsApp on its search button. Once you do so, you will end up with the WhatsApp app on the top of the screen. Now you need to simply press on the install button. Now the WhatsApp app will start to download after it crosses the pending stage. It will take a few minutes to download, and after the download procedure is over, the app will start to install in the device. Once the app is finally installed, it will redirect you to a security scan, and after finishing the security scan, you will be directly redirected to the WhatsApp app. So to check where your WhatsApp app is, you need to simply go back on your home screen, and there you can find your WhatsApp app downloaded. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.